everyone. So today we are going to be making noodles in oven, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. It's pretty simple and it's very quick. I mean, I made it last time and it was very quick and the results were amazing. So why not try it out and let me know how your results turn out to be. So I'm going to show you the steps now and let's get started. So the things that we are going to need are obviously noodles, and apart from that you can add any veggies which you want, vegetables, if you want to add chicken, if you want to add shrimp, anything that you want to add, eggs, you can add all of them. So it's up to your discretion and up to your choice what toppings you want in your noodles. So let me run by the steps and then we can get started. So first of all, of course, boiling the noodles. So I'll be using the kettle that they have provided because that's faster. It takes hardly 2 to 3 minutes to get it done. And then I'm going to use the oven for the rest of the things. So here it goes. So I'm all set with the ingredients. I have noodles and I'm also using Szechuan sauce to add some extra zing to it, and some green chili sauce, of course MSG, because that's the soul of Chinese food, and soy sauce. What Chinese can you cook without soy sauce? Then for toppings, right now I have some green star beans. I think that's what this is called. I googled and asked people and they all told it's called star beans. Some garlic, some baby corn, onions, and some mushroom. So let's put the noodles to boil, and meanwhile I'll cut all the veggies and I'll be adding egg on top of that, scrambled eggs, but that's for later. First, let's get this thing sorted. So I'm done with the noodles and the boiling of the noodles, and you can see it's perfectly cooked. So now I'm going to be draining the water and letting it rest for some time. Meanwhile, I'll prepare the toppings and the other stuff. So I've cut the veggies. I've cut some onions, the green beans and baby corn, and now I'm going to fry it. So it's sauteed. I put it in just for a few seconds. Now let's add soy sauce. And I prefer not to add salt because the soy sauce and the other sauces are so salty that it does the trick. So next I'll be adding some ginger garlic paste. And I already have the ready-made ones, so I'll just add it. Yeah, that much should be fine. And let's mix it. So again, I will saute it for some time. So now you can see it's almost cooked. So let's add rest of the sauces now. So I'll be adding green chili sauce, next I'll be adding Szechuan sauce, I prefer Ching's Szechuan sauce, but I couldn't find it, so ta-da! Let's try it out and see how the results are. Wow, I like it! Yay! So this was my second successful experiment for cooking noodles Chinese style in microwave oven without any oil, no butter, no frying. And I hope you like it. I mean, I do. So if you like the video, let me know in comments. Try this out and brag it amongst your friends and your family that this is a no oil cooking, and let me know of the results, please. And that's going to be very encouraging. And if you want me to try out new recipes, do let me know. Also, I have one more bonus thing for you. Since I'm going to stay in Bangkok for some more time, so if you want me to do something, like if you want to give me some dare, which is obviously possible, let me know, and let me know in the comments, and I will try my best to do it. So see you next time. Till then, bye bye. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care. Love you all. Bye.